afternoon to all my students. Myself, Dr. Abhay Kumar Mahanti, reader in zoology, Gopalpur College. I welcome to my online class. Today's my topic is glycolysis for 4th semester plus 3 second year science zoology honors. So let me start. Glycolysis. Glycolysis means breakdown of sugar. Glucose, sugar. Lysis means breaking. Breakdown of sugar. So why breaking? Question comes. So breaking for yielding of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy package, energy coil. So glycolysis. So it is otherwise so called EMP pathway. EMP pathway by name of German scientists, 3 German scientists, Emden, Meyerhoff, and Parnas. 3 German scientists. According to the 3 scientists, this is also known as EMP pathway. So it is occurring in cytoplasm. In this series of reaction, 10 steps reactions are there. So we will discuss one by one. 10 step discussions from glycolysis. From starting compound is glucose. First of all, glucose, the breakdown of glucose. So you can split by the enzymatic series of enzymatic reactions, and lastly we will get pyruvic acid. The series of 10 steps reaction we will discuss one by one. So first step, from glucose, it is known as hexose, 6 carbon compound. So glucose, first step, just and talking something about it. Glucose 6 phosphate, then fructose 6 phosphate, then fructose 1,6 diphosphate, then split again. So 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate, 3C, again split from 6C glucose to split to 3C and 3C. Then again 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde to 1,3 phosphoglyceraldehyde, then 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid, then 3 phosphoglyceric acid, then 2 phosphoglyceric acid, then 2 phosphoenol pyruvate, then pyruvic acid. Then 10 steps reaction. So we will discuss one by one. First, glucose to glucose 6 phosphate. Glucose to glucose 6 phosphate. Glucose 6 phosphate to fructose 6 phosphate. Then enzyme said that we will proceed later. Then fructose 6 phosphate converted into fructose 1,6 diphosphate. Then fructose 1,6 diphosphate splits into 6 carbon to 3 carbon 2 is 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde, 3 carbon compound. Three phosphoglyceraldehyde, and again this is isomeric change. So dihydroxy acetone phosphate. 3C, 3C, 6C, split here in the presence of aldolase. I will discuss later. Then 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde converted into 1,3 phospho diphospho glyceraldehyde, then again 1,3 diphosphoglyceraldehyde 2 converted into 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid, then 3-phosphoglyceric acid, then converted into 2-phosphoglyceric 3-phosphoglyceric acid, then again 2,3-phosphoglyceric acid, again converted into 2-phosphoenol pyruvic acid, then again converted into pyruvic acid. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 steps reaction. Then again, these are enzymatic reactions. So, what is the enzyme here? So, these steps, remember it: glucose 6-phosphate, then again fructose 6-phosphate, then again fructose 1,6 diphosphate, then splits into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, then dihydroxyacetone phosphate 3C, then again 2 molecules, then again 2 molecules, then again 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde to 1,3 diphosphoglysceraldehyde, then 1,3 diphosphoglyseric acid, then convert into 3-phosphoglyceric acid, then 2-phosphoglyceric acid, then 2-phosphoenol pyruvic acid and pyruvic acid. This is the 3 10-step reactions. So our motto: to yield pyruvic acid and ATP. So ATP, net gain. So let me start here. First step, number 1, at the point from glucose to glucose 6-phosphate. So enzyme is hexokinase enzyme. Here ATP, adenosine triphosphate to adenosine diphosphate, Mg 2 plus activator. Then next here phosphogluco isomerase, fructose isomerase to isomerization to fructose, isomeric change. So isomer glucose and fructose, these are C6H12O6 and also fructose C6H12O6. These are isomers. So these glucose 6 plus hexokinase enzyme here. Then again fructose 6-phosphate converted into fructose 1,6 diphosphate in presence of enzyme this is not kinase, phosphohexo isomerase, here phosphofructokinase. Isomerase, glucose to fructose, fructohexo isomerase. Then again this enzyme is here phosphofructokinase. So here the kinase is ATP to ADP Mg plus. So then again enzyme here is aldolase enzyme breaks to fructose 1,6 diphosphate to breaks into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, which are just interconvertible to the dihydroacetone phosphate. Here enzyme is isomerase enzyme. Then again here 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde to 1,3-diphospho. So here addition of 2H3PO4. Then again 1,3-diphosphoglyceraldehyde at the point. So point here NAD. So Na to NAD to NADH plus. Here again to electron transport system. It is. Then again here the point is enzyme here present phosphoglyceraldehyde dehydrogenase enzyme is here phosphoglyceraldehyde dehydrogenase. Then again diphospho here phospho enzyme is phosphoglycerokinase enzyme is phosphoglycerokinase. Here also ATP to ATP. Then phosphoglycerokinase enzyme. At this point 3-phosphoglyceric acid convert to 2-phosphoglyceric acid. Here mutation means 3-phosphate at 3 carbon position. 2-phospho means it is shifted to 2 carbon position. The 2-phosphoglyceric acid. Here the enzyme present by the enzymic action. Enzyme is phosphoglycero. So mutates enzyme. Mutates. Then again 2-phosphoglyceric acid convert to 2-phosphoenol fibrase. Here the enzyme is so enolase enzyme at the point 2-phosphoenol pyruvate. Here pyruvic enzyme is pyruvic kinase point 2 ADP to ATP. This is all about 10-step reaction. Very important, glycolysis with biochemistry. So then again start, try to remember at the point enzymes and 10-step. Point 1, glucose 6 carbon, then glucose 6-phosphate means phosphate at the 6 carbon point. So 6 carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the point phosphate. This glucose 6-phosphate. Here fructose 6-phosphate. Fructose glucose isomer to fructose means C6H12O6. Though it is aldehyde group, here it is ketone group. The isomers. This enzyme is phosphohexoisomerase. Yes. So enzyme here hexokinase. Here second step enzyme is phosphohexoisomerase. Then here third point enzyme is phosphofructokinase. So fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-diphosphate means so fructose 6 C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So fructose 1,6-diphosphate. Here phosphate, here phosphate. So fructose 1,6-diphosphate. Here aldolase enzyme breaks. Then this is 6 carbon compound. 6 here. C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here P splits at the point. Middle splits. Bhangi diya कौन? This by aldolase enzyme. So here by 3 carbon compound here 3C, 6C splits 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Then again 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde, the phosphorus 1,3-diphosphoglyceraldehyde, 2 phosphorus 83 एक 3 में लगेगा 18. So here the phosphate is at 3 carbon. So again phosphate. So again 1,3 diphosphate. Here the enzyme 1,3 diphosphate phosphoglyceraldehyde converted into 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid in the presence of phosphofructodehydrogenase. Enzyme is phosphoglyceraldehyde dehydrogenase. Then again 1,3 diphosphoglyceraldehyde converted into 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid. So then 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid in the presence of phosphoglycerokinase it is converted to 3 phosphoglyceric acid, and again 3 phosphoglyceric acid converted into 2 phosphoglyceric acid in the presence of phosphoglyceromutases. Here mutation occurs at the phosphate at the 3 carbon. So here shifted to 2 carbon position phosphate. Then enzyme enolates, releasing of water, so water, then phosphoenol pyruvic acid, and here pyruvic kinase enzyme is here, then converted into pyruvic acid, 2 molecules, 3C. So 6C, 2 molecules of 3C, enzyme. So 1 ATP, 2 ATP, here 2 to 4 and 2. So net gain 2, 4 minus 2, that is 2 ATP. Again via ETS via plus 6, that is 8 net glycerin. Gain of ATP molecule. So 2 at the point, 4 minus 2, and via ETS 6, that is 8. So again very simple but very important. So, glycolysis, breakdown of glucose into pyruvic acid, 10-step reaction. Just try to remember enzymes. Enzymes are which enzymes? Kinase, hexokinase, phosphofructokinase. Kinase 1, topic enzymes. So kinase, hexokinase 1, it is phosphofructokinase 2. Here there is phosphoglycerokinase 3 kinase. Here there is pyruvic kinase. Kinase enzymes 4. Kinase 4. So here 3 kinase and isomerase. Isomerase, phosphohexoisomerase, glucose fructose isomerase. Here isomerase, 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde and dihydroacetone phosphate. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate, interconvertible. So isomerase 2. Kinase 4 enzymes, isomerase 2 enzymes, and dehydrogenase, enolase, aldolase. Aldolase 1, dehydrogenase 1, kinase 1. 4 2 6 3 9, again 1 mutase. Mutation. This is all about glycolysis, 10-step reaction. Just have an enzyme gain the 2 plus via 6 ETS, then 8 glycolysis. So glycoglucose, breakdown of sugar, lysis. Why breaking? To yield ATP enzyme. ATP, adenosine triphosphate energy currency as an energy coin. So it is authorized by EMP pathway and then Mayer-Hoff-Parnas. EMP pathway, glycolysis taking place in the cytoplasm. This shall try to remember, very easy or very important also. Thank you all.